Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to Much and I'm going to pick up a few items, and after that I'll be unboxing all my purchases from Much and the previous purchases from Sandro as well. I hope that you will like this video and find it interesting. Please consider subscribing to my channel, give this video a thumbs up and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Please also consider checking out my other playlists. I posted quite a few videos about Cartier, Van Cleef & Arpels, Bulgari, Rolex, luxury tips and mistakes, Dior, jewelry, weekly vlogs, style and fashion, Chanel bags, luxury shopping vlogs, beauty products, and travel videos. I spotted this jacket online and I just had to come into the store and try it on. And it also has a cute matching skirt, which is so nice. I really like the fabric, it feels so good. The fabric is thick and yet so soft, which is great. And I feel like it's perfect for the air-con areas. I always feel cold in shopping centers or in the cinema, so it's just gonna be great. I also came to try on this skirt with another sweater that is so cute. Actually, I took a few, but I feel like this one is my favorite. I like the color, it's so beautiful, it's quite warm and thick as well. And I like the buttons. I can style it with my jeans, with my black shorts, with my trousers, with a skirt, with some other skirts from my wardrobe. I really like this shade of pink, it's so stunning and I don't see many sweaters in this combination. I really like how it's matching my skirt and I know that I can run errands in this outfit. I can wear it during weekends, it's so comfortable as well. And I always need this kind of clothes in my wardrobe that is so multifunctional, comfortable to wear and so easy to style. By the way guys, if you like this video, please consider to give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Some of you guys have been asking me about my favorite brands and where I shop the most from High Street, and I have to say it's Much. I like the quality and the designs are so cute. They remind me of Chanel, and also Sandra is super adorable. I also like the cut and I don't always have to alter it. In fact, I usually don't have to alter it, hardly ever. Something needs to be fixed, but most of the time it looks great. And I also saw this sweater that is so cute. I really like it and the design reminds me of Chanel and Dior, and I like that it's black and white. It's pretty thick, it's good for the colder climate, but it might be a little bit too warm for Singapore. I'll still try it on and show to you guys. I feel like this sweater will look really nice with the jeans, but today I'm not wearing my jeans, so I have to try it on with the skirt in the store. It feels very comfortable and the material is very soft. The thickness is similar to the pink sweater that I showed to you, but somehow it feels a little bit warmer, I'm not sure. But it's not too bad, you can still wear it indoors in Singapore. It's a lot cooler lately because of the rain and it might be raining for the next 2 months. So I think this sweater is great for the weather for sure, because it gets a lot cooler with the aircon indoors. I like it, but I'm not sure if I will get it. I will have to think about it. I have a rule: if I bring an item, or let's say 3 items, I will have to donate or throw away 3 items from my wardrobe to find the space for these 3. This helps me to avoid cluttering my place and helps me to keep my wardrobe organized. and I previously donated about 70% of my wardrobe. So whatever I currently have, I actually like. So it's a bit difficult for me to choose something else to get rid of. That's why it's better to take some time and make sure that I love the item and that I won't have any regrets about it in the future. Next up, there is this beautiful sweater as well. I like it in pink. It's a bit thicker than the first one and the design is a bit different. It's quite cute and I like how it looks with the skirt. It matches. It's pretty sparkly. You can actually see the reflection of the light on the sequins and I like it, and actually it feels pretty comfortable. It's not itchy. Usually some sweaters that have sequins are actually very uncomfortable to wear unless you wear a layer underneath, but this one seems to be fine. It doesn't feel uncomfortable at all, which is great, and that's what I like about this kind of sweaters. Also, I like the fact that some of them are actually suitable for cold hand washing, which is great because I don't always like to rely on dry cleaners. It takes a whole week to get the item back. Sometimes it's inconvenient to wait. It's nice to have a choice. And I also like the fact that a lot of Much clothes and Sandro as well look quite nice even after washes, which is great, and that doesn't happen with many high street brands, and that's literally why I stopped buying that much from other brands. And I also saw this sweater which could be styled really nicely with a turtleneck top and the jeans or skinny trousers. I actually don't like the way it looks with the skirt. It's not my style. Anyways, I'm going to go home and unbox all the things that I purchased today and some other items that I picked up from previous visits to Sandro. By the way, I previously featured some of them in my Sandro and Much vlog, which I will link down in the description box below for you guys in case you want to check it out. Alright, let me start from unboxing Much purchases, and I'm so happy that I was able to get this. The designs are just so cute, I could not resist, and I wanted to add something fun like that to my wardrobe. Lately I have been wearing a lot of black. I don't even know why. Well, sometimes I have been reaching for my clothes in white color, and that's pretty much it, but I'm glad that I have these items. And there is also a matching skirt like that. I will show it to you in a second. I have to say, I really like the fabric. It's really soft and thick. And here is the skirt as well. I will be wearing them together, and I also got this sweater which is so cute. I'll be wearing it with the skirt and with my jeans. This shade of pink is so beautiful and so easy to style, and I know that I have at least 3 bags that will match it. This season Much has a few beautiful items. I wasn't going to purchase them initially, but I just did not want to miss out on them. I also want to check the tag if it's for dry cleaning only. If I'm not mistaken, it should be suitable for hand washing, and that's what I like about it. And let me also show you some items from Sandro. I picked them up separately. I like this jacket, and I also have a matching skirt. I will be wearing them together. I really like this combination. It's so gorgeous. I like pastel colors, and I know it's going to be quite easy to style this jacket or even the skirt. I like the fact that I can just buy this clothes and wear it, and I don't have to alter it. Next up is this pink tweed skirt that I absolutely love, and I like that it's A-line style. It's pretty flattering. I will style some outfits and post on my Instagram account, and if you guys are not subscribed, please consider to do so. Anyways, guys, this is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked this video and found it interesting. Please consider giving it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram account. Have a great day and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!